Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm testing the Cutie 5 in iClone just by using a very old laptop. And in this old laptop, my GPU is just NVIDIA GeForce GTX 950, a 8 years old laptop. But so far at the beginning, it is really laggy. But now I already make it become smooth just by using a few options. And I'm going to show you all the step-by-step how to just have a very smooth real-time rendering in a very old laptop. So the first step, what you need to do is just go to the window workplace and just turn on all panels. Then just close a few tabs at here. We just want to have this part. Then go to the preferences. Then the next, what you need to do is just choose the quick mode. At the beginning, it is medium or high. It will be really extremely laggy. And just have a look on the GPU. It is already overloading. So what you need to do is just switch it to quick mode. That's the first step. And then at the beginning, you switch it to the quick modes. Under the preferences here, scroll down until you can see this part. At the beginning, if this is the first time you switch it to the quick mode, the alpha transparency is unselected. You need to just select it so that all of the hair can show. And now, for all of this already deactivated, and so far so good. The real-time rendering is still okay to see the alpha transparency and other material texture. Now everything look pretty cool, and it's no more laggy. And this is my way on how to just load the modern CC4 avatar just by using a very old laptop. This is a 10 years old, 8 years old laptop with just a very low spec GPU. Now everything smooth. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you.